Good morning, dear students. Today, A to D to A converter last video. In this, we will discuss successive approximation type ADC as well as flash type or parallel comparator type ADC. These two we will discuss. Now coming to SAR type. This is successive approximation or it is also called as SAR type ADC. It is very simple ADC, and to increasing the speed of operation in previous case it will be implemented. How the operation speed will be increased in this video we will see now. So like previous case, we will consider one comparator circuit. So comparator having inverting and non-inverting inputs. For non-inverting input we will apply analog input voltage. For inverting input it will be connected to the D to A converter. Here in specially after this there is no need of extra AND gate as well as binary counter. That all will goes to the SAR type register. So in this successive approximation type register means it will stores the counted value. For that register, clock will be applied to the directly here. This successive approximation type register, how it will performs its corresponding operation means by using here binary search strategy, binary searching principle, it will be operated. So how the binary search will be there, I will explain. Before going to that, the SAR register having SOC, start of conversion as well as end of conversion. Whenever the analog voltage will be converted into the digital form, there we have to activate this button. Using this button the counter will start counting. After total searching process, binary searching process will be completed, then the end of conversion button will be activated. The whatever the counted value will be there, that one latched through decoders we are displaying here. Display section we are giving. Whatever here value is there, searching value, that one again it will be converted into the digital form. That will be given to the analog to digital to analog form, and this analog voltage will be compared with the reference voltage. This whatever DAC voltage is called, that is called reference voltage. The reference voltage with analog input voltage, these two are compared each other, and that corresponding output will be produced by the comparator. Means either comparator output is 1 or 0. If the comparator output is 1, again it will be incremented. That searching process will be continuously done. How the binary search operation will be performed means you have to consider one assumption data for its equivalent. I am taking here one table, correct digital representation of analog input. You can consider this total, the register is belongs to the 8 bit. So you can consider here also 8 bit data 10110010. This is our original analog input data. How it will be converted means SAR output at different stages. I will be explained here, as well as comparator output will be displayed here. We can consider here 10110010. This is nothing but our original, whatever we are giving the input, that corresponding digital data we are taking here. How the SAR will be converted to this answer, now we will check. By using binary search operation, by using binary search operation we are converting that one. So according to binary search operation, initially when the start of conversion button will be activated, that corresponding MSB bit is 1, remaining all are 0, it will be initiated. All are 0. Total it is 8 bit. So MSB position is 1, remaining all are zeros. Whenever this will be zeros, you can take this one 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7. 2 power 7 means it will be 128 is there. So here more than this 128 will be appeared. That why? Because here it is 2, here it is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means 16, 2 power 5, 32, 2 power 6, 2 power 7, 128. So your analog input data will be 128, 36 and 16 and 2 here. So it is nothing but 22. Here it is 22 and 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 182. So here analog input voltage we are applying 182, but here when the MSB bit is 1, its value reference voltage is 128. So here we are applying 182 volts, but the reference voltage is 128 volts. Then when we are comparing these two, automatically output of comparator will be 1. Whenever the output of comparator will be 1, then the clock will be applied to the SAR. So here the comparator output is 1. Whenever the MSB bit means both are matched, that corresponding comparator output is 1. If these two are does not matched, comparator output is, you can take as a 0. When these two are matched, then the MSB bit is as it is, and next bit will be highlighted here. Next bit will be 1, remaining all are zeros. Now this value is 128 plus 64. 128 plus 64, that is nothing but here 12, 9, 1, 192. So here analog input voltage is 182. 182 is less than 192. Means negative potential will be greater. Here 192 is greater. So comparator output will be 0. Whenever the comparator output is receives 0 with the reference voltage greater than compared to our original input. Like whenever it receives comparator output is 0 means that corresponding bit whatever it is there, that one makes 0 and next bit will be high. Then remaining all are zeros. Now it will be compared with this one, it will be matched, then comparator output is 1. Again 1, 0, 1, 1. This is common and next bit will be high. Remaining all are zeros. Now you can compare these two, and again it is matched, then the comparator output will be here 1. Comparator output is here 1. Now 1, 0, 1, 1, same as it is. Whenever the comparator output is 1, the next bit will be 1 and remaining all are zeros. So here the next bit will be 0, means compared to the original correct digital representation, this value is more, then it will receive 0 signal. Whenever the comparator output is 0, this will make 0 and next bit will be high. So 1, 0, 1, 1, and this is 0 means it will make 0 and next bit will be 1, remaining all are zeros. Again it will be compared with our original input, it will belongs to the 0, again this will belongs to the 0 and next bit will be highlighted. So 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Now these two are matched. Here comparator output is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Again this will makes, next bit will makes 1. Now This will be compared with our original digital input. Again here more than 1 bit is there, it will receive 0 signal. Whenever it receives 0 signal, the data 1 0 1 1 0 0 1, this last bit will make 0 and next to no bits are there. This is your original data. Whatever the representation is there, using the binary search operation in SAR, we are getting that corresponding answer. So to getting that corresponding answer, here how many searches are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. In ninth step, we are getting that corresponding output. So to converting the analog input to the digital output here, n into t clock cycles, n into n number of steps, n into clock duration will be required. To getting output, total conversion will be n plus 1 cycles. Why? Because in last cycle is also it is compared, n plus 1 into t will be required. n plus 1 into t will be required to getting analog data into the digital output. So using this binary search method, easily we will calculate or easily we will convert the analog input to the digital output, and it will be through latches, decoders, it will be displayed at a display unit. Most important question this one, and the time is also, conversion time will be reduced compared to the previous all sections. Now we will discuss in last ADC that will belongs to the parallel comparator type or flash type A to D converter. Finally, in this flash type ADC or parallel comparator type ADC, this is also very most important. This architecture is very bulky. Once you have to see here, it is very easy to construct. So here flash type ADC compares one encoder. First point, encoder. So that encoder I am considering here 8 to 3 encoder. That is the 2 power n is to n encoder. 2 power n is to n encoder. So to getting n means 3 output purpose, here 8 to 3 encoder I am choosing. So that corresponding 8 inputs are here x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7, and that corresponding 3 outputs are y0, y1, y2. y0 is LSB bit, y2 is MSB bit. So here these all are nothing but comparators. Total how many comparators are required means number of comparators required is very important formula for competitive manner. 2 power n minus 1. Here n value is 3. Why? Because 2 power n is to n. So n is equal to 3. You can keep here. That is nothing but 2 power 3 minus 1. That is 7. That 7 comparators I am designing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 comparators. 7 comparators are there. That 7 comparator outputs are directly connected to the encoder. And in this inverting and non-inverting terminals are there. All non-inverting terminals are connected to the analog input voltage. All non-inverting terminals. And coming to inverting terminals all are connected to the reference voltage. Inverting terminal all are connected to the reference voltage. So to giving the reference voltage, we will take here potential divider arrangement. Potential divider arrangement means to dividing that reference voltage in different stages, we will connect the resistances. That is also very important question for competitive. Number of resistors required is 2 power n. Number of comparators required is this one, 2 power n minus 1. Number of resistors required is 2 power n. Means here for n is equal to 3 in 3-bit ADC, here you can use 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means 8 resistors. That 8 resistors are connected here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 resistors. So in starting point, it is the reference voltage VR that will be divided into 8 equal parts. So in last stage, it is 0 into reference voltage by 8. Here after one resistor 1 by 8, total 8 resistance are there. This is the first resistor. After first resistor, one part, so VR by 8. This is the 0 will be multiplied this part. So 0, total 0 means this is the ground potential. So 1 by 8 into VR, here 2 by 8 into VR. Like after this, how many resistors are there below? 1, 2, 3. So 3 by 8, 3 resistors are below. Total in that 8 resistors are there. So third one, in 8 parts, third one will be potential will be applied at this one. Like here 4 by 8 V reference voltage, and here 5 by 8 V reference voltage, 6 by 8 V reference voltage, 7 by 8 V reference voltage. Here 8 by 8 VR. 8 by 8 means 8 cancel VR. That VR reference voltage only applied. VR reference voltage only applied. So this is the reference voltage. We have to give here analog input voltage. Whatever the analog input voltage we are giving, based on that the corresponding level of comparators will be produced logic 1. Based on that the encoder will produces the digital code at output end. So we will discuss that one with respect to one table for different inputs. For that we can consider first input voltage, how the analog input voltage will be presence. Means analog input voltage will be presence in different stages. That is 0 VR by 0 to 1 by 8 VR. In between 1 by 8 to 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 2 by 8 to 3 by 8. Like you can consider here that analog input voltage is first stage 0 to 1 by 8 VR. How the comparators will be a generated logic 1 and how the output potential will be appeared. Like it is in 1 by 8 VR to 2 by 8 VR, how it will be produced. And 2 by 8 VR to 3 by 8 VR. And 3 by 8 VR to 4 by 8 V reference voltage. Like 4 by 8 VR to 5 by 8 VR. 5 by 8 VR to 6 by 8 VR. 6 by 8 VR to 7 by 8 VR. 7 by 8 VR to last finally 7 by 8 VR to the 8 by 8 VR. 8 by 8 VR is nothing but VR only. 8 by 8 is nothing but VR. So these stages we will check the corresponding comparators. How many comparator outputs are there? That is nothing but X7 to the X0. In last case directly we will connect X0. So that one you can apply here. X7, X6, X5, X4, X3, X2, X1, X0. And coming to outputs case here Y0, Y1, Y2. Y2 is MSB bit, Y0 is LSB bit. So you can consider here Y2, Y1, Y0. Here it is MSB and this one is LSB point. These all are comparators outputs. Comparator output. When the analog input voltage is at 0 to 1 by 8, means at this potential, whenever the below 1 by 8 VR, whenever the below 1 by 2 VR means all the comparators output is 0. All the comparator outputs are 0. All the comparator outputs are 0 except this direct one. Why? Because if the input voltage is 0, even though this will be activated directly. Even though input voltage will be given directly, it will be activated, last case. So this will be activated, remaining all will be zeros at this level. So when we are giving the analog input voltage 0, means all the comparator outputs are 0, x0 will be 1. That one I am representing here. That is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Here it is 1. This binary code, these all are nothing but comparator outputs, and this will be represented as a digital output 0, 0, 0. Whenever we are applying greater than 1 by 8 VR to the 2 by 8 VR, అంటే ఈ రెండిటి మధ్యలో ఉన్న పొటెన్షియల్ less than 2 by 8, less than 2 by 8, in between these two means less than this one, means till this comparators all are in off position, this comparator will be on. This comparator will be on. Why? Because we are applying the analog input voltage greater than 1 by 8 VR, less than 2 by 8 VR. So these two will be activated, remaining all are 0. That one I am representing here. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and x1 is 1, x0 is also 1. This will be indicated as a digital code 0, 0, 0, 1. Whenever we are applying more than 2 by 8 VR, less than 3 by 8, means third comparator will be also activated, remaining all are 0. This code will be represented as a 0, 1, 0. And whenever we are applying greater than 3 by 8 VR to the less than 4 by 8 VR, then fourth comparator will be also activated, remaining all are ones, and it will be represented with zeros, 0, 1, 1. Whenever the voltage will be greater than 4 by 8 VR to the 5 by 8 VR, x4 bit is 1, remaining all are corresponding bits are 0. Till this x4, all comparators are activated with high, that corresponding data will be produced output side 1, 0, 0. Whenever our voltage is greater than 5 by 8 VR, and next x5 bit is also activated along with previous bits, and this code will be represented as 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. And whenever the input voltage is greater than 6 by 8 VR, next one will be activated. Here x7 is 0, this will be represented as 1, 1, 0. Whenever the greater than 7 by 8 VR voltage will be applied, all comparators are activated, its corresponding output will be represented as a 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is the digital data. In last case, 7 by 8 VR, analog input voltage must be in between 7 by 8 VR to the VR. Means you can apply here analog input voltage that must be equal to the reference voltage. When the reference voltage, when analog input voltage is greater than reference voltage, means all the comparator non-inverting potentials are greater. That's why all the comparators output is belongs to the 1, and it will be represented with directly 1, 1, 1. So whenever we are giving that corresponding analog input voltage here, means directly that level of that much of comparators will be activated within one step, and that corresponding digital output is also produced. So that's why to converting this one analog to digital in flash type, just conversion time is equal 1 into t clock. That's why it is called parallel comparator type or flash. Means the conversion time will be very, very less. The conversion time is very, very less. It is only just 1. So among all ADCs, this is the fastest ADC, and accuracy is less. Among all ADCs, slowest one will be dual slope ADC. Their accuracy is very high, speed is low. This is the speed is very high, accuracy is less in flash type A to D converters. So now the conversion time in ADC, this will be asked in ESET examination point of view or GATE exam point of view. This bit is very, very important. In first one, we have to discuss about counter type ADC. The conversion time is equal 2 power n minus 1 into t. 2 power n minus 1 into t. T is nothing but the clock duration, n is nothing but the number of bits. And the second one, we can discuss ACAR type ADC, that is the conversion time is equal, you can tell n plus 1 into t clock. And the third one, we will discuss about flash type or parallel comparator type is TC is equal 1 into t clock. And fourth one, we can discuss about dual slope or integrated type ADC की conversion time is equal 2 power low n plus 1 2 power n plus 1 into t clock. And coming to fifth one, we have discussed about ramp type. In this ramp type, depends on conversion time, depends on step size. It will not be defined directly. Why? Because in ramp signal, how many steps we will consider, we don't know. That's why we have to discuss about step size, depends on conversion time will be obtained. In dual slope, among these all, here this is the slowest one ADC, and accuracy is very high. And this one flash type is fastest one among all. Accuracy is very low. Accuracy speed ఉన్న కాడ accuracy ఉండదు, accuracy ఉన్న కాడ speed ఉండదు. మళ్ళీ ఇంకో 2 పాయింట్స్, ఫ్లాష్ టైప్ ఆర్ parallel comparator type ADC. In this case, the number of resistors used in potential divider arrangement is 2 power n, where n is number of bits, and the number of comparators used is nothing but 2 power n minus 1. These are very, very most important competitive bits, where n value is given for 8-bit A to D converter having t is equal 1 millisecond. How much conversion time for counter type? How much conversion time A to D? అంటే n ఇస్తాడు, t ఇస్తాడు, n ఇచ్చి t ఇచ్చి క్యాల్కులేట్ చేయమంటే ఓన్లీ t ఇస్తే సరిపోద్ది. ఫ్లాష్ టైప్లో n ఇచ్చి నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ రెసిస్టర్స్ అడుగుతాడు, n ఇచ్చి నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కంపారేటర్స్ అడుగుతాడు. ఇవి కొంచెం కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేస్తే మీకు ఒక బిట్ ఈజీగా కవర్ అవుతుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ all of you practice these bits. In next video we will do some problems how to solve ADC DAC resolution on resolution, output voltage and different questions.